Welcome to How to SimShade. In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate the weighted view out. But first of all, why do we talk about weighted view out? In SimShade, you can find the weighted view out, and we use that parameter in order to quantify the view out between different shading solutions. In order to calculate the weighted view out, we first of all need to look at the view out class for the shading that we want to consider. The view out class is found in the European standard 14501, and it varies between 0, which is very little view out, to 4, which is a very good view out. The view out class you need to get from the manufacturer of the shading device that you're considering. Once we have the view out class, we need to find a weighting factor. We use weighting factor in order to weight the amount of time where the shading is activated with the view out that we have in that period of time. And this is why we have the formula to the right on the weighted view out, which says that the weighted view out is the total amount of time minus the time where we have the shading activated multiplied with this weighting factor. The recommended view out is for a standard building or a standard room, 80%. I just want to give you an example here. If we take a microshade film and we look at the activation time, the microshade is a permanent shading, which means that it's activated 100% of the time. Microshade has a view out class of 4, which is a very good view out, and this gives us a weighting factor of 0.15. If we then use the formula to calculate the weighted view out, we get a weighted view out of 85%. We can find the activation time in SimShade by going into Building Simulation and click the Detailed Technical Building Data. And then in the end, we have a view out section, and here you can find the activation time of the shading. So this was how to calculate the weighted view out. Stay tuned and watch our next video on why we couple daylight and energy calculations.